Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, I'm goodness Egwuonwu, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my updated eyebrow tutorial for beginners. So I start off by applying setting powder on my brows because my brow area tends to get oily during the day and I don't like it. So this is a way I have found to keep it together. So wait for it. Okay girl, flip the hair. So I go in to start blending my powder to my face. Then I go in with my spooky to brush my hair up because I like it that way, looking all natural, and I guess it's a bit trendy right now. So my brow tends to get stubborn, so I go over this a second time to keep it in place. So this is what we have right now, guys. This is how we're looking. And I go with my very sharpened eyebrow pencil to draw hair-like strokes on my brow, places where the hair is not really obvious. Then I use my brow pencil once more to outline the border of my brow so I know where I'm starting from and where it ends. So once I've done this, and this is the left eye, this is how we're looking like right now. I go over my highest concealer. This is highest concealer, my lightest concealer, to conceal the arc of my brows because I want that to pop. Then I use a skin-like concealer that is almost like my skin tone to conceal the beginning part of my brows and also the ending part of my brows to give it this natural, seamless look, because that's the aim we're going for, guys. We're looking for a natural, fluffy eyebrow tutorial, and this is it. So I use that same concealer to go over the top of my brows so that I can clean up anything that's not looking nice up there, and I can make it look like I do something up there without me doing anything up there. Okay guys, it's time to blend right now, and I usually start off with the concealer that's nearest to my skin tone because it just makes a whole lot of sense than starting with the one that has like 2 shades above your skin tone. So I'm blending everything in, trying to make everything sink into my skin so that it can look all natural and beautiful. So now that we're done blended, I go ahead to apply actual hair wax on my brows. So before, I used to apply this hair wax before I conceal my brows, but I found out that any excess wax that like past my brow used to make my concealer look tacky. So I just figured that okay, doing this after applying my concealer would make much sense, and that's working for me ever since. Once I apply, you can literally see that I'm struggling to brush my brows because the wax has taken place. It's still doing its work, making my brows stay in the actual position. So now I'm using my spooky to brush the brow hairs so that they can stay where I want them to stay for the entire day, for the entire week. I'm joking, for the entire day. So I have to go over this again so that anything that is not where it's supposed to be will align. So I like this new thing I started doing right now on my brows, just to draw a line down to look like I actually drew something there, but I didn't do anything there. So that's what I'm doing right now, just in case you're wondering, I'm confused. So this is how we're looking right now, guys. We've come to the end, so bye.